Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, how did I get bed bugs? First thing to know about bed bugs is they don't live outside and they're not going to come in from outside. So you pick them up somewhere. Or you could live in an apartment and they could have migrated over from the neighbors. So where were you 2 to 6 weeks ago? Were you traveling? Did you stay at a hotel? Hotels are one of the most common places to pick up bed bugs, and it doesn't really matter if it's a 5-star name brand place or a no-tell motel. You can pick up bed bugs anywhere that has them. Maybe you had a friend or family member over, or maybe you went over to someone else's house that has bed bugs. There are many ways to pick them up. They're the best hitchhikers in the world. No matter where or how you got them, if you have bed bugs, you need to treat thoroughly and treat aggressively. And if you picked them up from a friend's house, maybe you can send them the bill. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. I think I had a weird look at you too, because I saw you moving your hands, so I thought there was something going on, so I was trying to listen in the background too, so I'll redo it. I saw you moving, it threw me off, and I was like, wondering if it was a cue, and I'm like, no, keep going.